So yesterday morning, my family had to go outside of the house because our carbon monoxide detector went off. Don't believe me? See this clip.
It's recording. Oh, dude, that's an ambulance. Because our carbon monoxide detector went off.
Michael, you should be something.
Why should I? Don't mind that. That was from my flu. Yeah. We got the ambulance, the wee woo. No, I don't know if any of us need it. The firemen are inside. Fire truck is literally just barely obstructed because of the driveway ends over there with the car. So yeah.
Well, now that you guys seen that, they said that there wasn't any carbon monoxide in our home, and I think my dad bought another detector. Also for the Odyssey video, I don't know when I'm gonna make that or finish it because I'm pretty lazy, so I just don't make stuff. Also, I'm just gonna go die of carbon monoxide poisoning, I guess.